What role does glucose play in cellular energy? Have you ever wondered how your body transforms food into energy? One of the key players in this process is glucose, a simple sugar that fuels our cells. Let's break down how glucose contributes to cellular energy production. Glucose is the primary fuel for our cells. When we consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which then enters the bloodstream. The hormone insulin helps cells absorb glucose, allowing it to enter and begin its journey. Once inside the cell, glucose undergoes a process called glycolysis. This series of chemical reactions occurs in the cytoplasm and splits one glucose molecule into two molecules of pyruvate. During glycolysis, a small amount of adenosine triphosphate is produced, along with high-energy electrons carried by molecules like nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Next, the pyruvate moves into the mitochondria, often referred to as the cell's energy factories. Here, it is converted into acetyl-CoA, which enters the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. This cycle generates additional electron carriers, such as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide, by oxidizing acetyl-CoA. These electron carriers transport high-energy electrons to the electron transport chain, a series of protein complexes located in the mitochondrial membrane. In this chain, the energy from the electrons is used to pump protons across the membrane, creating a proton gradient. This gradient powers an enzyme called ATP synthase, which produces the majority of adenosine triphosphate during cellular respiration through a process known as oxidative phosphorylation. In total, the complete aerobic breakdown of one glucose molecule can yield approximately 30 to 32 molecules of adenosine triphosphate. This energy is essential for various cellular functions, including muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and the synthesis of new molecules. When oxygen levels are low, cells can still metabolize glucose through anaerobic processes. In this case, pyruvate is converted into lactate, allowing glycolysis to continue producing adenosine triphosphate, albeit in smaller amounts. Excess glucose can be stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles for future energy needs. When blood glucose levels drop, the hormone glucagon signals the breakdown of glycogen back into glucose, ensuring a steady energy supply. In summary, glucose plays a central role in cellular energy metabolism. It is the main substrate that cells convert into adenosine triphosphate through glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. This energy supports the functioning of organs and body systems, linking glucose metabolism directly to the fundamentals of human anatomy and physiology.